Why does our body need iron? Iron is the key component of hemoglobin, a molecule that carries oxygen, the CO2, in and out of your body and allows you to, well, live. That's the long and the short of it. There's some other functions in hormones, enzymes, etc., but that's all secondary. While the majority of iron is used for hemoglobin, or tied up as ferritin in bone marrow, a liver, etc., as a reserve to create blood cells, some of it is used elsewhere. Cytochrome proteins. Cytochrome proteins are primarily used to carry ions in the cell's internal chemistry, for example in the mitochondria to turn food into energy the cells can use, catalase, an important enzyme used to protect cells from oxidative damage by speeding up the breakdown of hydrogen peroxide. Red blood cells have a lot of iron in them and carry oxygen around your body. No iron and you die from lack of oxygen. Myoglobin, like hemoglobin, is an iron-based protein which binds oxygen to itself. However, myoglobin is found in the skeletal muscles and acts as an oxygen store in times of need. The presence of myoglobin in urine can be a cause for concern, as it indicates serious muscle damage. Myoglobin, like hemoglobin, is an iron-based protein which binds oxygen to itself. However, myoglobin is found in the skeletal muscles and acts as an oxygen store in times of need. The presence of myoglobin in urine can be a cause for concern, as it indicates serious muscle damage. It helps your body carry oxygen to where it's needed. Oxygen has a lot of electrons, and iron is a transition metal with the potential to drop a few electrons to make it more positive. Think of oxygen as the negative end to a magnet with iron as the positive. Negative and positive attract. Fun fact: there are multiple types of heme, and in the womb babies make a special type of heme called fetal hemoglobin that can quite literally rip the oxygen off of normal hemoglobin. Lots of correct responses on here already, but I've not seen anyone address why we need to take in iron, like in our diets, via some chemicals that we are able to create or metabolize from others. And the reason we can't do that is because iron is an element, and the only way to make more of an element is through nuclear fusion of lighter elements. And we can't do that in our body. And if by some chance you could do that in your body, then the government would probably disappear you and do basically all of the science on you against your will.
Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss our next exciting video.